On this episode, I am featuring the Avalue AIB-NINX-SC. Hello engineers, developers, and friends. Welcome to another episode of DevKit Weekly. I'm Ken Briota, your editor-in-chief of Embedded Computing Design. And in this very special episode, I am here at Embedded World in our Embedded Computing Design DevZone in our booth. A new feature of our show where we are showcasing some of our favorite development boards, dev kits, and products that you will find in the entire embedded industry. You can find all the details on this dev kit down in the description, but the things that you need to know is that this is an ultra complex business card sized AI edge platform. It's powered by NVIDIA, Jetson, Orin, and X, and it is an extremely tiny little box that you can see right there with a bunch of modular boards that allow you to accomplish almost any application that you can think of. So I hope you check that out in the description. While you're here, make sure that you like this video. Make sure that you're subscribed so you don't miss any of our videos here on YouTube. Make sure you follow us on LinkedIn so you can check out our weekly, in case you missed it, Embedded Insights LinkedIn newsletter. Make sure that you visit embeddedcomputing.com for all the news that you need in the embedded space, and I hope I'll see you next time on DevKit Weekly. I've been Ken Briota, your host and your Embedder-in-Chief. Have a great day.